the one and only. Cooking with Mr. Tony, back with another quick recipe. If you're looking for an authentic korma recipe, keep looking. 'Cause this ain't it. This is a quick and easy curry that will make your toes tingle in no time. It's pretty simple. Green beans, onions, chicken thighs, a few spices, cumin, coriander, paprika, a dash of salt, and a sprinkle of pepper. Lather on your korma paste. Splash in your coconut milk. Give it a stir. Let those wonderful spices play together like a co-ed summer camp with no counselors. Plate it up and let the magic happen. You better believe it's good. Like and subscribe.
It's not bad.